Here's how you can save a Word document to the Files app on your iPad. Let me explain that, and if this is your first time on Foxtecc, make sure you subscribe so you never miss tutorials and videos like this one. So the Word document can be edited or created through various different apps. For example, we have the official Microsoft Word app, which we can get inside. You can see this is what it looks like, and essentially if you want to save it and like export it to the Files app, you have to click on the share button, and you can see that it asks you for the name as well as the location, right? So when you click on location, you can see that you can choose some different things, and it kind of asks you if you want to save it in like different places on the cloud, right? On the one cloud or OneDrive, right? So that is the way to do it. But you can as well just see that when you click on other locations, the Files app should most definitely be accessible right there. So this is the option that you can click on and make sure that you actually get and save it into the local storage. Or you also have the option to keep a local copy. So when you click on that, you can basically also save it somewhere locally. So that would be something which you can do. But as you can probably tell, this is not the most favorite option of mine, because I like to personally use or edit my Word documents within a different app. So I like to go through the Apple Pages apps whenever I have like a document somewhere or whatever. I try to open it through the Apple Pages. So yeah, I can also click on open with and choose the pages, and in there I like to perform the export. So I click on share, export, and I choose even the file type, and then I just have to decide the location. So it's very easy to save it to the Files app. So as I say, it really depends on where you have that file, but this should be the correct way to do it. So let me know in the comments below if you actually managed to make it work. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more, and I'll see you later.